Welcome to your Canvas site. Please notice the to-do list on the right. That will usually have items for you to check off or announcements that are important. And then always go to the home page if you want to reset and see what else is in other modules. We have announcements on the left, assignments, modules. When you want to see your grades posted, you go to grades, and people lets you know who else is in your class and who your instructor is and all that good stuff. Later on, we'll be using Gradescope and Proctorio, and then we will get you registered with those in the upcoming days. Very important is the class information and resources at the top of the homepage. This is always the place to get information. The instructor's syllabus will be posted here at the top. And very important, we're going to go into this link, the sim itineraries and Zoom meetings. Whatever your group is, if you know your team name, for example, if I were the Orange Caracaras, I would just click the orange caracara at the top, and there is my weekly schedule. And notice there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you just scroll down to get to Thursday and Friday. Any of the Zoom room links you can click on to get to the room that you're supposed to be in. Also, please note the mandatories in red. You must be in attendance those days. If you miss any mandatory meetings, you will be, if you miss too many of them, you might be dropped from the class. So be very careful about that. Finally, at the bottom of each table gives you a mandatory assignment to view any Zoom tapings that we think are important for you to see. Those links have not been posted yet, but they will be up as soon as we have a Zoom session. So you must know your team name to get to those schedules. Very important. Going back to the home page, you can find your instructors any extra office hours. You can get to your Q&A discussion board. If you have any questions, your trainers will be monitoring the discussion board to see if they can help you out along the way. And then some of the textbook chapters will be linked up here, and more important links and resources. This is our orientation module for today, and most of your modules for the class that you'll be learning work in this fashion. And when you complete the item, you mark it as being done. And you can do that by clicking on the right or by going in and clicking Mark is done on the top. And then down at the bottom, you click Next. So each time you click Mark is done, as soon as you do the what's on the screen, and then go to Next. Cool. You can leave this at any time if you need to, and come back and pick up where you left off.
This one says Mark is done. You'll click on Next. But if you notice, this one is a little different. This one is a discussion post. So you are going to click on Reply. First you read what it says, and then you're going to reply and answer the question in less than a sentence. You don't have to click on Mark is done, but you do have to reply to be able to go to the next module. If you see this means that you didn't do something that you have to go back to be able to go to the next section. I'm going to click on Home. So I would click on Home a lot. And once you get down to, this is Canvas navigation right here, but I wanted to show you some of the logos that there are. This one right here means a page. This means a page. If you hover, it'll tell you what it is. This is a discussion board topic. This is a quiz. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see right here is an assignment. So each of these little icons means something different.